Hi, Miss M6425. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Princess Grace Caliga. I'm 36 years old. I'm single and I'm Roman Catholic, and I high school graduate. My job experience is Lebanon. I work in 2 years and finish contract, and I served that five families and two babies in couple of both. Then two babies is one 4 months old and 2 years old, and one uh, newborn baby and 5 months old. So I work experience again in Manila. I work in 7 years. Started at 2000 January 2018, and then to January 2026. Okay, so I serve in seven families and two babies, uh, one 2 years old, and then 4 months old. 2 years old is boy and 4 months old is girl.
Okay, 6 months old.
6 months old
Newborn
is girl.
until 6 months old.
Yes.
Then the other was couple, right?
Yes, sir.
And their children also. Is this 22, and 24 years old? Is there also their children?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in taking care of a newborn baby from Lebanon, which is 4 months old until
Yes.
2 years old,
Yes.
and newborn baby until 5 months old, and you have also experience taking care of baby here in the
Yes.
Philippines for almost newborn and to 6 months, right?
Yes.
So you know how to prepare and you know how to take care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes.
You know how to make a milk for a baby,
Yes.
and also you know how to make the baby shower, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
The baby is crying, I will check the diaper, and I will check the temperature. Then I call the employer, then I send the employer.
Okay, you will call the employer if
Yes.
the baby won't stop to cry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I needs needs the family, and then I want to needs brother in school.
Okay, you want to provide the needs of your
Yes.
brother for schooling. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong in 2 years, but if you want to need extend my contract in my employer,
So
don't
you are
worry,
willingly?
I want to willing.
You are willing to
Yes.
extend your contract. Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Um, no idea, but I want to willing to learn. Then I want to willing to watch the YouTube, and then I need to, or I want to learn to procedure in recipes.
Okay, recipe books, like
Yes.
recipe books. Okay, you could also ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare if you got an employer in Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
And also, if your employer prepared some food, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn. Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share a job with other helper?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn their language if one of your employer's family don't know
Yes,
how to
sir.
speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
My future employer is I message, please hire me, and I promise to taking care of your baby, your children, and your all family. I will to responsible, hardworking, and patient.
Okay, can you promise also to take good care of your children as your own and love their family as your own also?
Yes, sir, I promise.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank you.
Princess Grace.
Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay.